In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme colors in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want your presentation to look more polished and consistent, changing the theme colors is a great place to start. Theme colors control the overall color palette used throughout your slides, including things like text, shapes, charts, and other design elements. So instead of changing colors one object at a time, you can update the visual style of your presentation much more efficiently. To begin, go to the Design tab in PowerPoint. You'll find this in the ribbon at the top of the screen. The Design tab is where PowerPoint keeps many of the tools related to the overall appearance of your presentation, including themes, variants, and formatting options. Clicking here gives you access to the built-in design styles that can quickly change the look of all your slides. Once you're in the Design tab, choose a design. PowerPoint includes a variety of theme options, and each one comes with its own coordinated set of colors, fonts, and visual styling. As you browse through the available designs, you can hover over them to preview how they'll look on your presentation before you apply one. This can save time and help you compare styles more easily. When selecting a design, think about the tone of your presentation. For example, a clean and simple theme might work well for business or educational content, while something more colorful or modern may be better for creative projects. The design you choose will influence the theme colors, so it's worth taking a moment to pick one that matches your content and audience. After you select a design, PowerPoint will apply it across your slides, helping create a more unified and professional appearance. This is especially useful if your current slides feel inconsistent, or if you're starting with a basic presentation and want to improve the visual impact quickly. A helpful tip is to look at a few different designs before deciding. Even a small change in theme can make your presentation feel more engaging and easier to read. Also, if you've already added content to your slides, previewing different designs can help you see which option works best without needing to redo your layout. That's how to change theme colors in Microsoft PowerPoint by using the Design tab and selecting a design. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how your presentation looks and feels.